Good evening. It's me again. Yasmin. And I'm back with an interesting video kama kawaida. So now I'm going to be walking through the most notorious streets of Nairobi, Kenya. Alright, this evening I'm bored of sitting at work, so let's give it a walk. Alright, so we're walking through the most notorious streets, guys. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Alright, I hope I'm gonna be safe. So let's take this walk, let's explore Nairobi together. Alright, let's do this. So those who are conversant with Nairobi street, I'm sure you can identify what street I'm walking through. Alright, so mine is, I'm just going to give you a tour. I hope you enjoy, guys. Let's do this. So this place is so noisy, let me tell you, and also there is a lot of businesses going on. People are selling clothes. And because of the high population, there is a lot of theft that goes on right here. Could it be phones? Could it be personal belongings? Right? So you gotta be careful with your belongings. Hey guys, this right here is River Road. As we walk through these streets, we need to be very much careful because River Road is well known for theft, for any kind of bad thing happening around the city. River Road has to be involved. So guys, we are still exploring River Road. Such a long street. We have a number of toys right there. guys, we are still exploring. The Nairobi downtown streets are so many, alright? The Nairobi downtown streets are so many. Let's keep exploring. Hope it gives you a different experience. As for me, I'm just having a tour, I'm just having a walk. Alright? So this is it's a bit quiet, but it's still part of River Road, alright? So we shall keep exploring. I'm seeing a temple right there, alright? So I'm learning something new. We are still in downtown, but this street is a bit quiet compared to others, right? And so it gives me an opportunity to even speak to the camera.
Import.
So let me give you a 360 of this. This is where River Road joins with Kirinyaga Road, all the way to Koja roundabout. That is where I'm headed. So this is a terminus, right around Koja. So guys, the whole of this place that you are seeing is Koja, right? So I'm gonna be giving you an aerial view of Koja, as you can see, right? So you are crossing the road into Koja roundabout. And so this is where I'm going to be ending my tour. Alright. I'm back to where I started. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Right, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Peace out.